How to use Google Stitch easy tutorial. Want to turn text prompts or sketches into UI designs instantly? Here's how to use Google Stitch step by step. So go to stitch.withgoogle.com and log in with your Google account. So click on this try now button at the top right and you'd be signed in with your Google account. So in here, you'll find your Google Stitch dashboard. So, select web or mobile layout depending on your project. This sets the canvas size and responsiveness. So, choose standard mode for text prompts or experimental mode to upload sketches. Standard is faster and experimental is higher fidelity. Enter your prompt or upload a wireframe. Stitch generates a UI layout with front-end code you can review instantly. Refine your design, adjust colors, fonts, and components. Preview responsiveness across devices, and then export your design to Figma for collaboration or download production-ready HTML or CSS code for developers. Google Stitch is perfect for rapid prototyping. Use text prompts for speed, sketches for detail, and then export to Figma or code. So you should find your UI frame into this section, and then at the left side you should find the items used for the website generated for you.